Welcome to day number 2 of the helicopter threes. The one I want to hit here real quick is on dynamic rollover. The examiner's going to ask you, what are the 3 things combined together is going to get you into the dynamic rollover situation? So number 1 is a pivot point, number 2 is a rolling moment, and number 3 is exceeding the critical rollover angle. And we'll throw you a little tidbit in there. 15 degrees is that critical rollover angle, which another little training tip, 15 degrees is also your degrees for exceeding the critical angle of attack. So when you're memorizing 15, you think of it in those 2 different ways. So real quick again, the 3 things for dynamic rollover are pivot point, rolling moment, and exceeding the critical angle of attack. So tune in tomorrow for the next one. Please share with your friends on Facebook and Twitter, and leave us some comments. And with feedback, good or bad, we love to hear either way. So thanks a lot for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.